Years ago, I saw a meme that said, when you're up to your neck in alligators, it's hard to remember your initial objective was to drain the swamp. I'm not dealing with alligators, just woodworking projects, but I am a bit overwhelmed and expect to stay that way up until Christmas. In the shop, I have more than one project on hold as I react to selling off the last of an item and then quickly making a few more of that item to avoid missing sales. By the time that item is complete, another's out and begging for my attention. Add in a recalcitrant thickness painter and running out of 6/4 poplar, and by the end of the day, I'm exhausted. Why am I telling you this? Because I thought that rather than not posting a video this week because I'm busy, I would ask for feedback and comments from my viewers. This channel is here to engage viewers, to educate, and hopefully to entertain. While I have ideas for topics I'd like to pursue, I'd like your input. Would you like to continue seeing specific projects? Is there a particular item you'd like to see me make? Scroll saw is my favorite tool, but I have a shop full of tools that I use. Would you like to see more on each of them? For example, I could do a video featuring each tool individually: the table saw, compound miter saw, thickness planer, and so on. I'd cover the basics on each, such as safety, any tips and tricks I've learned over the years, and so on. Lately, I've been thinking of getting into a CNC or laser machine. It seems like cheating, but this could make me more productive and allow me to make some items currently beyond my capability. Would you be interested in pursuing this with me? We could learn together. I will read and respond to every comment. Don't be afraid to suggest something unusual. I'll carefully consider every suggestion and use every one that I can. If you haven't done so already, please hit the subscribe button and notification bell so you don't miss the video where I use your suggestion.